Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by planting a strong, low base so you can explode up or sidestep. This prevents telegraphing. Once done, read the defender's approach. Watch their hands, jump foot, and hips to predict shot timing. Then execute an immediate counter like a jab step or drop step to make them commit to a direction. By forcing movement first, you control the timing and reduce chances they meet you at the rim, which is key to avoiding a block. Now focus on ball protection and angle of attack to keep the shot away from shot blockers. You should use your off-arm and torso as legal shields while stepping into an angled path, baseline or step-through, rather than going straight up where the rim defender waits. Make a decisive gather step and add a believable shot fake to get their vertical timing off. By changing plane and timing, you force them to commit early or lose proper positioning to block. For the finish, choose moves that minimize hand-to-ball overlap and protect against blocks. Scoop shots, Euro steps, or high-arm finishes over your shoulder work because they change release height and angle. Make sure to use the glass when appropriate and extend the arm away from the defender's reach. This increases separation. If you keep getting blocked, analyze film to find recurring timing issues, then rehearse quicker gathers and alternative finishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.